Then, this is our traditional award. It bears the name of Professor Fray of Cambridge University. It was established in 2000, and it was 2006. And you see here we have three categories. We have politics, corporation, and academia. So during the years, we have given awards to these three categories. The first winner is Professor Alario Franco. Congratulations. Congratulations. No, I do not know for a long time Professor Alario Franco, but you know, when we organized, he was proposed by Professor Alain Tresot. He's somewhere here, and then we did normally every Thursday we have live broadcasting. It's 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, broadcasted all over the world in LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. We have speaking about SIPS and speaking about various issues in science and technology. And one of those guests was Professor Alario Franco. And he said, he's 80 years old this year, 80 years old this year. So he said, it's good that I'm here because normally the Greek expression that we should kill the political father or a scientific father didn't happen with him. So I guess this award proves that. It didn't happen.
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay, so we can, if you have some more to say before I give the awards.
Well, I am very pleased, very honored. It's unusual, not only at my age in general, to have a distinction of this caliber. So I am thankful to you, to your organization, and of course to all the people here that make this meeting possible. I would like to say a couple of things concerning myself. One is, I read when I was a relatively young boy, a sentence by Confucius. Confucius was one of these masters of all philosophy, and he said, find a job that you like and you will never have to work. Well, I did find a job that I like, and every time I go to the university, still now, I go 3 days a week, I'm very happy going. And when I meet students or colleagues and so, I'm always telling them, look, you have the best job in the world. There is no other. I mean, you could be in the Olympics, athletics, but this is ephemeral. Our life, academic life, is a long life, and you have pleasure all the time. And the other thing which I would like to mention tonight is that if I have been able to arrive going up a little bit by steps, is thanks to the students that I had. I had very, very good students. Some of them are here with me, but many others are not. And then without the students, we are nothing or very little. So the two things, first of all, to find a good job that you like and you don't have to work. And then when you work, you find very, very nice people. So I'm glad to say that for the general people to know.
So for 80 years, you have been vacationing.
Yes.
Good. Okay. So I guess everybody is here the same.
Yes.
So that's the award for the lifelong vacation. Keep it like this with your hand. have a box for all over these. There are heavy boxes, there are glass. So at the end, we're going to give you the boxes in order to keep safe. So we continue. As I said, we have done it a little bit more entertaining, but since we are short of time, we have to continue a little bit. This is Alario Franco during all his life. 70, 80 years vacationing. And he was right, vacationing, yeah. See, all places vacationing. Now more vacation, I guess. Margaret Thatcher, she was a chemist, correct? It was a solid chemistry. So this is a life of 8 years vacationist.